What is up, guys? Welcome to MX Break with me, the AfroGirl, where I give you all the updates in the world of entertainment and lifestyle in Ghana and across the world. Let's start off with our very first story. Now, former French ambassador Anne-Sophie Avi is entreating the government of Ghana to offer diplomatic passports to top Ghanaian musicians for pushing a positive image of the country on a global stage. In a tweet, she mentioned the names of Sarkodie, Stonebwoy, Black Sherif, Shatawale, R2Bs, and King Promise as deserving of the status. She also noted that their contributions to Ghana on the international stage were better than what the best ambassadors could do in a lifetime. And for those who don't know, a diplomatic passport is usually given to diplomats, that is, people or officials that represent a country abroad. Their travel treatments are different. They mostly have a different queue. Some of them are not even searched unless there's a special warrant or reason why they need to be searched. Now, they are treated as high profile, and the intention behind it is because they are traveling for the purpose that will benefit the country. You understand? So now, with all, my explanation and everything, do you think that, our people that are doing the Lord's work out there on different shows and different platforms, the Sarkodies, the King Promises, all of them, do you think that they deserve diplomatic passports as she has, suggested? So let us know in the comment section. Now, moving on to Nigeria, Wizkid has made history after receiving the Brit Billion Award, which is a prize given to artists who have surpassed 1 billion streams in the United Kingdom. The award was presented to the Grammy winner after his landmark show at the Tottenham Stadium, making him the very first African artist to receive the prestigious award. So a huge congratulations going out to Wizkid from we at MX24. Now, moving to our last story, 3 of Lizzo's former dancers have accused the singer of sexual harassment and creating a hostile work environment in a lawsuit filed on Tuesday. They also alleged that she pressured one of them to touch a nude performer at an Amsterdam club and subjected the group to an excruciating audition after leveling false accusations that they were drinking on the job. The dancers accused Lizzo, a performer who is known for embracing body positivity and celebrating her physique, of calling attention to one dancer's weight gain and later berating and then firing that dancer after she recorded a meeting because of a health condition. The suit filed in Los Angeles also accuses the captain of Lizzo's dance team of proselytizing to other performers and deriding those who had premarital sex while sharing lewd sexual fantasies, simulating oral sex, and publicly discussing the virginity of one of the plaintiffs. Phew. That is a lot. That is a lot. And if the part about Lizzo calling attention to one of the dancers' body is actually true, then I don't know, because some of us are really disappointed, because she's legit someone who embraces body positivity, especially on social media. So all of this is just a bit hard to hear, but I mean, I don't think we should jump to some conclusions until we hear from, her part. So fingers crossed that it's not something that is, is going to make us lose our respect for her, because again, she's somebody who champions body positivity. So hearing this about her is just a bit too hard. Yeah, it's just a bit too hard to hear. But that's about it for MX Breaks with me, the AfroGirl. You know what to do. Anything entertainment, lifestyle, we at MX24, we've got you. So give us a follow on all social media platforms at MX24GH. I'm out.